Let's make chow mein but Southeast Asian style. Perfect for party trays. First, let's start by making our sauce. Add chicken bouillon, fish sauce, oyster sauce, lower sodium soy sauce, some of that magic dust, golden mountain seasoning soy sauce, and water. Mix this well. Next, slice your cabbage to your desired size. Next, chop scallions. Top portion first, bottom portion to 1/4 of an inch thick. Next, minced garlic. Next, in a pot of water, bring it to a boil. Cook your chow mein noodles for 1 minute. Once complete, strain over cold water. Next, give your noodles an ice bath. This will help stop the cooking process. Next, on high heat, add oil to pan. Once hot, add in minced garlic. Once fragrant, add in sliced cabbage. Let this cook for a minute, followed by adding the bottom portions of the chopped scallions. Cook this for the next 2 minutes to give the cabbage a sear. Next, introduce your chow mein noodles. Gently combine and toss in well. Next, add in your sauce and your top portion of your scallions. Let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Use a tongue to gently toss and fluff up your noodles. Combine everything well, shut off the heat, and easy as that, we're done. Recipe measurements located in the description. Save this video for later or tag a friend who you want to try this with.